Hi guys, I'm Mary Beth from the Mary and Joe channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to cook a quick and easy rotisserie chicken dinner. Now, the first thing that we're going to need, I've chosen this rotisserie seasoned John Soul's Food fully cooked chicken breast strips with rib meat. No artificial ingredients. So, we're going to use this. On the back, it says that you can cook it either in the microwave, the oven, or you can stir fry it. I'm going to cook this in the oven today for 7 to 10 minutes. Okay. Now, I'm going to use 3 large potatoes. And I've already wrapped 2, and I'll show you how I'm going to wrap this other one with some Reynolds wrap sheets. First, I'm going to lay out my sheet, and then I'm going to show you how to just rinse off your potatoes because they tend to have a little bit of dirt or grit or whatever you want to call it. So I wash my potatoes first under cold running water and get them clean. They don't have to be dry. Now, put them on your Reynolds sheet as an angle and just roll it. Roll your potato, gotta make an angle, and then fold it down on the ends. Okay, that's your potato. So I'm gonna do 3 potatoes today. That's how I'm going to get started. Now, to go with that, we're gonna do baked potatoes. So we need sour cream. I'm gonna use Daisy sour cream, great value mild cheddar cheese. I'm gonna use some sweet Italian rolls, bacon bits, and salt and pepper to finish off this meal. I think I'm going to use country crock butter, but I don't see it sitting out here. We always have to have butter. So, let's get started. I went ahead and turned the oven on, and it's preheating. I've got it on for 450. When it gets hot, we'll go ahead and put the potatoes in first because they take an hour to cook. While I'm waiting for the oven to heat up, I'm going to go ahead and put the chicken in a pan, and we only have to heat it for 7 to 10 minutes. It says, but I like to have all my meat brown. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it into my pan and set it aside. The package said you should lay your meat in one layer, and this is how it looks. So that is ready. Well, that's the sound of the oven letting us know that it's ready. It's 450 degrees and ready to bake. So now we can get our potatoes and stick them into the oven. I've got them in, the 3 potatoes, and we'll just have to bake them for 1 hour. And about 15 minutes before that, I'll put the meat in. It's been 45 minutes, y'all, so I'm putting the meat in the oven for about 15 minutes, and we'll check on it and see as it gets brown. I like mine a certain color to call brown, so we'll give it a few minutes. It's now been an hour and 15 minutes actually, so the chicken and potatoes are done. I am going to fix my plate. First, I cut my potato, and it is very, very hot, y'all. And then I'm going to put my seasoning in it. And I know this will be a wonderful, quick and easy chicken stuffed potato.
That's good.
The meat looks great. I've tasted a piece, and it's juicy. So now we just need to put our stuffing in. I hope you like this video. I've got my cheese, sour cream, in my potato. I'm going to put my chicken, if I can get it in here, on top. This is a quick and easy dinner. And there's my roll on the side. Thanks for watching. And I need you to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.